This will prevent flooding of the area. It will also improve the water tables of the area. And the police stations, if they have a well or they had the hand pump or they have a nearby pond, everybody will benefit.
The existing infrastructure, we have seen that in schools, hospitals and other public infrastructure, there are multiple initiatives around rainwater. However, infrastructure such as police stations, no such initiatives were taken. So we thought that there are huge infrastructure in a district like Gurugram.
We recently noticed that Gurugram is facing with two major problems. One, reducing water levels, groundwater level, and secondly, when there is a rain, there is a water logging issues. So we decided to implement a project with Navjyoti India Foundation. We are working for developing the rainwater harvesting structures